Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking a clear goal and the quickest path to it. First, set your dollar target and timeline so you know whether to hustle or build. Once done, identify the top 3 client needs you can solve and why those pay. Then choose 2 outreach channels and craft a short pitch. This gets you meetings fast. Make sure to log responses and prioritize warm leads because focused effort converts far better than scattered attempts. You now build an irresistible, concise offer that answers what, when, and for how much. Explain the deliverable and include tiered pricing so prospects choose faster. This reduces hesitation. Once you have an offer, present a short case study or sample to demonstrate results and lower perceived risk. Then ask for a small commitment, deposit or trial, to convert interest into action. Make sure to follow up within 48 hours. Promptness signals professionalism and keeps momentum toward closing. You finish by delivering quality and securing payment. Communicate checkpoints so clients see progress. This prevents surprises and speeds sign-off. Once complete, send a clear invoice with payment links and a brief thank you asking for referrals. If payment or satisfaction stalls, address it directly. Review scope, propose a small revision, or offer a partial refund to preserve the relationship. That quick, fair fix saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.